Welcome to our post-game press conference after San Miguel tied the series 2-2. We are joined by Best Player of the Game and Best Player of the Conference, Junmar Fajardo, and winning coach, Coach George Gallant. Congratulations, gentlemen. Coach George, after 3 heart-stopping close games, how satisfying is it to get a 10-point victory? What about this game makes you think that you're back to playing the San Miguel way?
Well, it's just nothing, it's a great win for us today, but we just tied the series, and we just made it a best of 3. I'm just happy that we talked about a lot of stuff yesterday in practice, and we just talked to one another and said that if we trust our teammates and we share the ball, that offense will come, and it showed now. I think we had 111. I think this is the highest output in this series. So, it's just a mindset of these players to trust one another and to share the ball. That's the philosophy.
Coach, it's the first time for Vic Manuel and Terrence Romeo to make an appearance in this series. When did you decide to field them in, and how did they fare in the expectations you've set for them?
Well, Terrence played well. He played quality minutes, and also Vic. I'm really happy with Vic. Even if yung minutes niya, it was only 7 or 8, but he really helped us a lot. His quality minutes were really great, and he really helped the team in today's victory. And also, Terrence played well, but I'm sure he's not healthy yet. But the kid just wants to win and just wants to help the team. That's why he played now.
Thank you, Coach. Junmar, congratulations not just for the win but also for winning Best Player of the Conference. Sabi mo kanina na hindi mo alam na yung awarding ngayong araw. Anong kahalagahan ba nitong pagiging Best Player of the Conference mo for the 10th time, at paano ka ginanahan sa larong ito nung ikaw ang nanalo?
Una-una na papasalamat kami kay God na walang na-enjoy sa game na to. Yung kahit sino sa team namin pwede maging best player of the conference kasi sobrang lalim ng team namin. And hindi ako inanahan dahil nanalo ng BPC. Kailangan ko talaga i-ano yung sarili ko dun sa ilalim kasi pag natalo kami 3-1, mahirap ma-bounce back sa 3-1. So, gusto namin manalo, gusto namin matay yung series. And then, credit sa coaching staff, mga teammates ko, nag-step up kami lahat. Kung sino yung pinasok ni coach, nag-step up lahat. So, kaya nakuha namin yung panalong to.
Junmar, sa huling mga laro, laging napapag-usapan yung depensang binabato sa'yo ng Meralco. Ano ba talaga yung challenge sa binibigay nila sa'yo, at masasabi mo bang naka-adjust ka na doon after this game?
Maganda yung depensa na credit talaga sa Meralco. Maganda yung depensa na, hindi lang sa akin, kundi sa buong team. Kasi kita nyo naman, limited yung mga namin, yung shots namin. Minsan mga 70 plus lang. So, tas ngayon, yun nga sinabi ni Coach, maganda yung namin ngayon, pasahan. So, nagro-rotate yung bola. So, yun yung ngayon, kaya nanalo kami. So,